No water coming out of either side, cold or hot. It's normally the aerator that causes that stopped up with some kind of debris. I always turn off the water valves when I work on any of it. Turn off the hot side and turn off the cold. And this one is a wheel valve. If you listen, you can hear like crunching. It's that debris that's in there. Alright, remove the aerator. You can already see the junk that's in this. I usually peck it on the sink a little bit. Turn the water valves back on, then turn it on and see if you get a good flush. Oh boy, we did get a good flush. It's a big old ball of that debris. Rust, calcium, dirt, all kinds of different stuff. Water flows good now. If you look carefully, you see some of that debris down in the bowl. Rust, calcium, dirt. This is why I always say, do not drink the water from the tap. This stuff is in your water, people. After cleaning the aerator real good, you install it back, turn on the water and see how it works now. If you see value in this video, give me a thumbs up.